Mga boss, alam naman natin na marami sa inyo ang mahilig mag-shopping, pero siguro ayaw nyo lang yung hassle na pumunta sa mga siksikan, pati na rin pumila at makipag-agawan sa mga gusto nyong bilhin. Kaya ito, meron ng convenient solution para sa inyo, ang online shopping. At ito ang isang napaka-fashionable na brand, ang Style Shop Manila. Panoorin natin ito sa One Life.
Good morning mga boss! Today, i-level up ko ang pamimili ng aking mga fashionable items dahil ngayong umaga ay itatry ko ang online shopping. Halika at samahan nyo akong alamin kung gaano ba talaga ito ka-convenient at bakit usong-uso to ngayon. Tell us about Style Shop Manila.
Style Shop Manila, it's an online retail store. So we're based online pa lang. We have clothes, bags, and shoes for women. So most of our clients are really more young, nasa mga teens to young professionals.
Sabi nila dahil tag-ulan na ngayon, pwede na rin daw maging fashionable ang mga girls. So ano naman ba ang masasuggest mo na fashion
Yes,
this
that's right.
rainy season?
So ngayon, for this rainy season, we have our newest items, rain boots na iba-ibang designs. We have it in all colors na available.
Yes, oo nga. At nakita ko, ito yung pinaka-unique na style. So, paano mo to mami-mix and match sa mga clothes?
So yun, this is actually one of our best sellers. Meron siyang kasamang free socks na actually when you buy it. So, kunyari, if you like to match your clothes, kunyari, if you're wearing blue, you can wear it with blue socks or printed na socks na may blue. So, it's really up to you.
Medyo kakaiba kasi nga, di ba, tag-ulan, tapos meron kang very summer yung kanyang style. Paano naman to?
Ito naman, actually kasi marami naman talagang rain boots ngayon. But the unique factor about this is mukha siya talagang shoes na pwede mo siyang i-partner sa outfits mo. Not yung mga, kasi diba yung ibang boots talagang malalaki na
Yes.
up to your knees. So medyo kailangan career ka talaga magdamit. So yun.
Yes, oh. At syempre, meron pa rin yung mga basic like black and meron ding red, yes.
And we also have this, yung mukha siyang sneaker.
Ah,
So,
oo
yun. So
nga.
more casual naman. Yan.
Yes, correct. From fashionable rain boots, alamin naman natin kung ano bang nababagay na damit dito. Katulad na lang nito ni Paul. Ano bang bagay dito?
So for that one, siguro, we can go with this one. It's a sports shirt, so medyo street yung dating, medyo sporty. So yan, for this type.
Floral na rain.
So for that one, we can go with this Tiger Aztec top. Then you can match it with this,
Oo. And last but not the least, syempre itong nauusong transparent boots ngayon.
So this dress, pink and green, so you can match it with, kunyari yung socks mo is pink or green. So yun, madali lang siya i-partner.
O, diba? Kahit maglakad-lakad kayo sa ulan ako, siguradong hindi mababasa ang mga paa nyo. At ang maganda doon ay fashionable pa kayo, diba? Bonggang-bongga yung outfit nyo with your rain boots and napakagandang clothes. May paano naman sa mga buyers mo na takot na magkaroon ng kaparehas na damit? Paano mo sila masisecure na wala silang kaparehas?
Well, what's nice about our selection of clothes, kasi we get from a lot of suppliers. And we also have outside the Philippines. So, kung gusto mo talaga is unique, wala kang kapares, marami kaming clothes na pabagay sa iyo.
Okay, Nicole, turuan mo naman ang ating mga viewers kung paano bang proseso ng pamimili online.
So, with our shop, you can just actually send us a private message, just your name, your order, your contact number, and shipping address. Or you can also fill up our order form online.
How will they receive the items?
So we ship the items anywhere nationwide. We can ship that. We also deliver global. We ship nationwide and worldwide. Yun.
And ang shipping, how many days naman ba?
For locations within Metro Manila, next day delivery. And then for provinces, kahit sa Visayas ka pa or sa Mindanao, you will get the item within 3 days. Please visit our Facebook page, facebook.com/styleshopmanila, or our website, styleshopmanila.com.
O diba mga boss, ngayon alam na natin na napaka-convenient at safe naman pala mag-shopping online. No need to go na sa mga malls, misalo na sa mga mommies nating busy dyan. At anytime makakapag-shopping ka na basta meron ka lang internet. Nako mga boss, basta fashion, I always love to share it sa inyo. At ito po ulit si Carla Paderna for One Life.